Is it someone's birthday? Yeah, it's your birthday, isn't it, Rem? And it's just been your birthday, Mouse, hasn't it? We've got some parcels, so we're going to open your presents. Thank you to everyone who sent presents for their birthday. We don't ever expect anyone to send any gifts, but we always really appreciate it. So thank you so much. And I know some of these are from Paul, so I'm just going to open all the presents and just say thank you. So in the first one, oh, Mouse, look at these. These are your favourites, aren't they? You've got cheese, chicken, salmon, and liver. And these are your favourite squeezy tubes, aren't they? Hey, you two, you don't need to argue. There's plenty of treats for you. And these are from Paul, so thank you so much, Paul. And also from Paul, there's an extendable lead, which I'm really excited to use once we get some harnesses for both of them. I'm getting some new ones. And a new little birdie toy, because when Remi was a teeny tiny kitten, he destroyed the last one. And he loved playing with this, so this is going to be amazing. You just watching, Mouse. You supervising. And then this is the last package. I don't know who this one's from yet. What's in here then? Oh wow. There isn't a note in here. So please do let us know if you sent this. There's loads of toys. And some springs. I added these to the wish list because Remi has an obsession with my hairbands that are similar to this. So I think he's going to really like these. Oh, you want your toys? Here you go. Oh, you're a purry boy. Is that yours? This is like a tunnel, and then we've got loads of toys that make noise. Little straws. He's chasing some of the springs. It's a little pom-pom. He's gonna love these little like mouse toys. And then all the balls make different sounds. Oh, Remi is such a spoiled boy. Mouse will like this sort of thing to chase. Thank you so much to whoever sent these. These are such lovely gifts. They're both so spoiled. Remi's gonna have loads of fun playing with these, and Mouse will watch him and laugh, I think. Oh, so cute. What do you think of all the toys, Rem? You're a very happy boy, aren't you? Oh, there you go.